Modern luxury in a compact setting is an intricate dance between functionality and opulence. It is the art of selecting pieces that resonate with timelessness, where every texture and finish serves a dual purpose of comfort and aesthetic grandeur. By focusing on quality over quantity, Decor becomes the primary architect of a spatial personality, turning a modest floor plan into a curated sanctuary of high-end living. In these environments, luxury is not measured in square footage, but in the depth of materials, the precision of lighting, and the harmony of a well-considered color story. Number 1. Elevate with sculptural, organic furniture. Small modern luxury thrives on the presence of sculptural, organic forms that break the rigidity of a tight layout. Instead of bulky, traditional pieces, opt for curved sofas upholstered in high-end boucle or mohair fabrics. These soft edges encourage a fluid movement through the room, making the space feel more expansive and sophisticated. Pair these with a low-profile coffee table made of honed calicotta marble to ground the room with a sense of permanence and weight. This approach focuses on the quiet luxury trend, where the quality of the material speaks louder than ornate ornamentation, creating a serene, museum-like atmosphere. Number 2. Expand space with reflective surfaces. To achieve a truly luxurious feel in a smaller footprint, one must master the manipulation of light through reflective surfaces. Incorporating floor-to-ceiling mirrored panels or smoked glass partitions can instantly double the visual depth of a room. This isn't just about functionality, it's about the glamorous interplay of light and shadow. Choose finishes like polished nickel or antiqued brass for accents to provide a warm, metallic glow. When combined with strategically placed LED strip lighting under cabinetry or behind headboards, the apartment transforms into a shimmering jewel box that feels airy, expensive, and deeply immersive, perfect for metropolitan living. Number 3. Master the art of verticality. Verticality is a secret weapon in modern luxury decor, drawing the eye upward to create an illusion of soaring ceilings. Utilize bespoke floor-to-ceiling cabinetry with integrated metallic hardware to streamline storage while adding architectural interest. Draping windows in heavy, floor-length velvet or silk curtains placed slightly above the window frame adds a dramatic, hotel-like grandeur. This concept emphasizes the importance of the fifth wall, the ceiling, by adding subtle moldings or a soft matte lacquer finish. By maximizing the vertical plane, you eliminate clutter on the floor, allowing the fine craftsmanship of your furniture and the architecture to take center stage. Number 4. Infuse rich textural layering. A sophisticated apartment should be a tactile experience, blending a variety of rich textures to create depth and warmth without the need for excessive decor. Mix natural elements like walnut wood paneling with soft, high-pile silk rugs and butter-soft leather upholstery. This layering creates a sensory richness that defines the Japandi or modern organic luxury styles. The contrast between a cold, smooth stone countertop and a warm, hand-woven throw provides a balanced environment that feels curated over time. Focusing on a limited but high-quality material palette ensures the small space feels cohesive and intentional, rather than chaotic or overwhelmed by competing trends. Number 5. Integrate invisible tech and hidden luxury. Modern luxury is increasingly defined by seamless integration and invisible tech that preserves the aesthetic integrity of the home. Consider custom-built joinery that conceals media centers or home offices, allowing the decor to remain the focal point when these features are not in use. Use smart lighting systems to create scenes, such as sunset glow or art gallery, which highlight specific decorative pieces like oversized canvas art or a single designer vase. This level of customization provides a bespoke living experience tailored to your lifestyle. When luxury is felt through convenience and atmosphere, rather than just visual excess, even the smallest apartment exudes a high-end, contemporary sophistication. Transforming your small apartment into a luxurious retreat is all about these intentional details. Start curating your dream space today. Like, share, subscribe for more design tips, and thanks for watching.